So this is the last part of our revamping process. One thing with bone straight is that after revamping it, you must straighten it to bring back the hair. But take a look at the hair already. It's already giving. Can you see how silky that hair is looking after revamping? It's already giving. So these are the products I'm going to be using. My best serums and this L'Oreal spray is actually heat protectant spray, and this L'Oreal Studio Hot and Glass they are very nice. I recommend them. And this Hawaiian Silky, like I said, goes with both straight and curly hair. So I literally just mix them together in little quantity and apply them thoroughly on the hair inside and out. And it is very important to use those heat protectant spray when you are stretching your hair. I cannot emphasize the importance. So I'm going to be using this my stretcher on 230. So when you are using stretcher, especially if you buy an original stretcher like this one, which I recommend, if you want to buy a stretcher, I recommend you try this stretcher. I tried about 4 or 5 stretchers before I finally got tired of wasting money, and I asked a professional and she recommended this stretcher for me, and it has been the best stretcher I've ever used. Look at the name on it, so you can look for it. It has different types of this brand, but I like this particular one because it's very sizable. So when you're using a good stretcher, please, because it is good does not mean you use it on the highest heat. That's why it has control. If you are stretching your hair, one tip you should know is that if you are stretching your hair and it is having heat mark, you are doing it wrong. It is the heat is too much for that hair. And also, some hairs are able to take high heat while some hairs are not able to take high heat. It depends on the strand of your hair. So this particular hair now has both strands, like very thick strands, so it's able, and it's long. The length is also a factor that can determine if you take a lot of heat or not. So these are the tips you should have in mind when you're stretching your hairs. So also take note that anytime you're doing anything hair, put them in section. Part the hair and pin it up so you can see clearly what you are doing and be doing it one by one, so they are not falling into each other. You can see there's no mess here. It's all clean. Okay, so take notes and always do the same. Get all these hair clips and use to hold your hair. So just take a look at how the stretcher is working. Fine, like perfectly. This hair is like, look at how it's coming out. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, so I make sure I also stretch all the way to the roots, because sometimes if you abandon that line, it will look funny inside at the end too. When you're done, it won't look so straight all the way down. Well, those are the important tips you need to know when you're stretching. Just take a look at the hair, how it's turning out. Take a look at the hair. Meanwhile, this hair has been with me for 3 years in February. This hair will complete exactly 3 years in February, and look at how it's looking at something I just bought. I've worn this hair for almost 3 years, literally 2 or 3 months away to complete 3 years. Look at how it is. Anyways, let's tie the frontal. This is not actually a frontal, it's a 6x6 closure, but I style it on C part. So let's style it together. I literally just parted it and used my that stuff I just used. I don't know why I always forget what that thing is called, but you already saw it. And of course, one thing I don't always miss when I'm styling my hair is my mousse. Mousse is very, very important. And of course, you need your hot comb. You cannot completely style a frontal without a hot comb. Anyway, so after this mousse, I went ahead to use my hot comb to lay it. I had to delete that part because the video was getting too long. Now, just take a look at the finish. Please, if you are watching this video to this point, you should be giving it a like. There's no way not learn 1 or 2 things. Please give a like, share so that your friends and family that needs it will see, especially those of us in diaspora. Help a sister to stop wearing funny hairs, because the kind of things I see in this diaspora, my man no fit talk am. So please share so that they can learn 1 or 2 things, how to maintain their own hair. They don't really need a hairstylist to do all these things. You can do these things yourself. I am doing it myself. Anyway, so look at the finished look. Don't you just feel like eating up this hair right now? It's so beautiful, so sleek. This is 3 years old hair. And the one you bought last year, is it still looking this fine? I've worn this hair for almost 3 years now, and it's still looking the same as the day I bought it. Just because I take it very seriously when I handle my hairs. I take care of my hairs very well. Anyways, please don't forget to like, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, if you like me to do any particular thing you want to learn, please feel free to comment under this comment section, and I will make a video for you, and I will tag you. Anything about hair or anything else you want me to make video about, please comment, and I will use it to make a video for you. All right, thank you for watching again. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen. That is Deutsch. Bye or tschüss.